What's up, YouTube? It's Brody. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm here to harvest some plants. You gotta harvest these plants extra early, just so the sun doesn't damage these terpenes and other things that you're trying to grow. So if you want to see this get done, stick here right now. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and all of this is for educational purposes only, and do not try to recreate anything in this video. Everything is fully legal, and I can't wait to share what I got right there. So what we're gonna be looking at is two different autoflowers. They were planted on March 19th, and today's date is, I don't know off the top of my head, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I would say maybe the 12th, whatever. Now, that being said, we're gonna be coming in here probably harvesting just the main cola and leaving these side branches to keep developing and maturing up. So if you want to come check what I'm looking at, hold on. So one of the plants is this one right there. Another one is this one right there. The reason why I'm cutting these down, two reasons, was it's right around 9 to 10 weeks old. The second one would be the tops are much more mature than the stuff around it. So check it out. There's actually 3 reasons. The third reason would be I need another harvest as soon as possible. So these are autoflowers, and you got something like a photo period, another photo period over here. So those will be grabbing at the end of the summer. But these autoflowers, I already got a fat harvest right now. So let's check it out. And no, I'm not an expert, so definitely not an expert. I just try different stuff, and clearly something's working. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is examine where I want to cut this thing at. I would say right there, right at the base of that stem. It's a good spot. Leave the rest to mature up. Let's see how this looks right there. Should I get you a better angle? Sorry about the camera. I wish I had somebody to film. You guys are resting on a plant right now, and it's called TKO. All right, on back to this strawberry gorilla plant. Yeah, the scissors I got ain't that good. That's what we're looking at right there. Smells absolutely delicious, so wish I could smell it for you. I wish you could smell it yourself. I'm just gonna drop these leaves here and pick them up later. You don't want to have too much greenery in your greenhouse. Yeah, so what type of trim am I doing right now? This is gonna be just a little bit of getting these fan leaves off, and you could totally leave them for sure. I just don't like to. Trying to be extra careful. It's more harder than you think. There we go. Trying to keep these sugar leaves intact because I do like to make some type of like bubble hash, or maybe even an edible or something like that. And all of this will be filmed, so if you guys find this stuff interesting, you might want to subscribe. Maybe share it to somebody who's struggling. Not to rub it in, but just to potentially maybe help them. That's pretty good for that stem right there. Trying to get as close to the base as I can. Extremely early today. Best time to harvest. I'll show you what the plant looks like after too. Well, I just cut off a whole head, so make sure you watch what you're doing. It's early. Maybe I should have somebody who trims better than me. It's a really nice flower right there. Sit in my mouth. Oh, it tastes delicious. Oh, I wonder if you guys seen the mushroom video I made too. Made a mushroom video, just posted it. If you guys are into stuff like that, oh, that's gonna be coming up too. Multiple projects. Oh, it's really good. Really good. And if you're curious about how I grew this is 100% organic, just to see the potential of these plants in the cleanest, absolute cleanest product. So that's why I did that. Very impressed with it. Not the best on the harvest side, but probably gonna be some of the cleanest stuff I've ever seen. There's 0 spider damage, and that's because it's probably too cold for the spiders to start reproducing. Looks great. Very happy about it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how the plant's doing right now. And it's just missing that top, and I'm gonna come over to this one. Same plant, different type of phenome, much more purple leaves. Beautiful. Much more thicker too. Do the same thing to this one. Leave the bottom, take the middle. There's another one there too. Might have to do that tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys are into stuff like holistic healing, dogs, mushrooms, medicine, you definitely want to subscribe, and I'll be sharing exactly how I started this all up. It started in February, and I do live in a snowy climate, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.